Not everyone should see the same data. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up row-level security in Power BI so each user only sees the data they're meant to, perfect for role-based reporting. Row-level security or RLS is a way to restrict access to specific rows of data in a report based on the viewer's role. For example, a sales manager should see all sales, but a regional rep should only see their region. Open your Power BI desktop file. Go to the Modeling tab and click Manage Roles. Here, you can add a new role, select a table and write a DAX filter. For example, region equals East. This means anyone assigned to this role will only see rows where the region column equals East. Before publishing, always test. Under Modeling, select View as Roles. Pick your role and check that the data changes as expected. Once published, open the dataset in the Power BI service. Go to Security, find your role, and assign users or groups from Azure Active Directory. Log in as one of the assigned users to confirm they can only see the filtered data. You can make roles dynamic using user principal name or username in your DAX filters. This way, the role adjusts automatically based on the logged-in user. Row-level security is essential for sensitive or role-based reporting. Set it up once, and Power BI ensures every user only sees what they should, keeping your reports both secure and relevant. Want the full step-by-step with DAX examples? Check the link in the description. For more Power BI tips, follow Data Stories with Nirmala.